Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The Best Vive Pro Kit is probably one of the most immersive and high-fidelity virtual reality experiences available today, transporting you to incredibly detailed digital worlds with stunning clarity and precision tracking, making it a top contender for serious VR enthusiasts and professional applications seeking unparalleled performance and a truly expansive virtual playground. Number 5. Glisco Frankenquest 2 Adapters for Oculus Quest 2. Introducing the Glisco Frankenquest 2, designed specifically for your Oculus Quest 2. This adapter kit enhances your VR experience. Please note, this package includes only the adapter kit. It does not come with the deluxe audio strap or the Oculus Quest headset itself. Experience significantly improved comfort and superior audio quality. These adapters are engineered to elevate your virtual reality sessions. Everything you need for a seamless setup is included. You'll find all the necessary pieces for easy installation onto your Quest 2. A strong hook and loop system ensures a secure fit. It attaches effortlessly to your Oculus Quest 2, providing stability and peace of mind. What we like. This product offers a simple solution to significantly upgrade your existing VR setup. If you already own an Oculus Quest 2 and are looking for improved comfort and audio without buying a whole new system, this is an excellent choice. It allows you to easily integrate a deluxe audio strap for a more premium experience. What people say. No reviews provided in the source JSON, so no points can be extracted. Please provide product reviews to extract helpful points. Number 4. HTC Vive Pro Virtual Reality Full System. Experience unparalleled freedom with its Steam VR 2.0 tracking. It supports expansive room-scale environments, perfect for multi-user setups, ensuring sub-millimeter accuracy. Immerse yourself in breathtaking clarity thanks to its high-resolution dual OLED displays. These deliver an industry-leading 2880 by 1600 pixels, bringing graphics, text, and textures to life with incredible fidelity. Enjoy a truly immersive audio experience with its high-res, high-impedance headphones. It features 3D spatial sound and active noise cancellation, eliminating real-world distractions. Designed for comfort and extended use, it offers even weight distribution and easy adjustments. This makes it ideal for multiple users, accommodating various head sizes, glasses, and IPD settings. Expand your business possibilities by integrating real-life objects into your virtual simulations with its tracker ecosystem. This feature is perfect for motion capture, automotive, aerospace, or heavy equipment training. Dive into a vast library of content with 2 months of unlimited VR play. It includes access to over 700 games and apps, with a code conveniently provided in the box. What we like. This full system delivers an unparalleled immersive experience. If you are a professional or enthusiast seeking sub-millimeter tracking accuracy across a large play area and stunning visual fidelity, this is designed for you. Its high-resolution display and spatial audio ensure you won't miss any detail in your virtual world. What people say. Number 3. Valve Index VR Full Kit. Experience the next level of virtual reality with this complete kit. It's designed to immerse you fully in your digital worlds, bringing your games and experiences to life. Its dual 1440 by 1600 LCDs deliver incredibly sharp and vibrant images. With full RGB per pixel and ultra-low persistence, you'll enjoy crystal-clear visuals at up to 144 Hz. This device offers extensive ergonomic adjustments for a perfect fit. You can customize head size, eye relief, IPD, and speaker positions, ensuring maximum comfort during long sessions. It features a physical interpupillary distance adjustment ranging from 58 mm to 70 mm. This allows you to fine-tune the lens spacing for your unique eye alignment, enhancing visual clarity. Its double-element, canted lens design provides a wide field of view and minimizes distortions. This advanced optical system ensures a more natural and immersive viewing experience. To enjoy its full capabilities, a PC compatible with this VR system is required. Ensure your computer meets the necessary specifications for optimal performance. What we like. This kit is engineered for top-tier visual performance and user comfort. If you prioritize smooth, fluid visuals with its ultra-low persistence LCDs and require extensive ergonomic adjustments for a perfect fit, this system stands out. It offers a wide IPD range to ensure a comfortable and clear view for almost any user. What people say. Number 2. Neewer Pro Heavy Duty Light Stands Kit. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for professional lighting setups. It includes 2 durable light stands, 2 empty sandbags for stability, and 2 convenient carrying bags. Designed with built-in buffer springs, these stands offer superior protection for your valuable equipment. They are easily adjustable from 47.2 inches to 10 feet, allowing for versatile positioning. Crafted from robust aluminum alloy with a stable triangular frame, they ensure your gear remains secure and wobble-free. All metal locking collars provide reliable and long-lasting adjustments. The included heavy-duty sandbags allow you to precisely control counterweight, ensuring your lighting setup is perfectly balanced. You can easily adjust their weight to achieve optimal stability for any shot. With a 1/4-inch screw, they are compatible with cameras, ring lights, and even HTC Vive. Plus, the 2 included carrying bags make transporting them effortless, wherever your creativity takes you. What we like. This set provides robust and stable support for various equipment. If you need reliable, heavy-duty stands that can bear significant loads and offer extra protection with spring cushioning, these are ideal. The included sandbags ensure maximum stability for your valuable gear in any studio or home setup. What people say. Number 1. Foto&Tech VR Light Stand and Ball Head Adapter Kit. Introducing a convenient solution for your VR base stations and cameras. This kit offers superior flexibility compared to traditional wall mounts, making setup a breeze. Each stand extends up to 6 feet, yet folds down to just 1.61 feet for ultimate portability. Its lightweight design ensures you can take it anywhere without hassle. Built with premium aluminum alloy, these stands are both sturdy and versatile. They feature a standard 1/4 screw thread and can support up to 8 pounds, locking solidly in place. The included mini ball heads offer 360-degree swivel, providing endless positioning options. They are compatible with a wide range of devices, from VR base stations to DSLRs and GoPros. Beyond VR, these stands and ball heads work seamlessly with camcorders, speedlights, webcams, projectors, and various photo equipment. They are designed to enhance your creative possibilities. Crafted from heavy-duty aluminum alloy with solid 3-leg stages, this equipment is built to last. Its robust construction ensures stability and durability for all your projects. What we like. This compact and versatile kit is perfect for on-the-go setups. If you are looking for lightweight, easily portable stands that still offer sturdy support for VR base stations or cameras, these are a great option. The included mini ball heads add extra flexibility for precise positioning of your equipment. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.